Hey Apple, sweet watch. Your watch can run your life. Everything from appointments to health and fitness, and even the simplest of tasks. Yeah, it can help you breathe. Here's the problem. You just paid $500 for a watch, and it's worth it, believe me, for freeing up that brain space. But what's up with the $5 silicone watch band it came with? A sport band that doesn't breathe?
What the fungus?
Has limited colors and $50 for a replacement? Are you kidding me? It's an overpriced, uncomfortable, sweaty piece of rubber that makes no statement of who you are. At Groove, we have the solution.
Introducing Groove Band, the first truly breathable watch band, offered in never-before-seen designs that help you stand out in a crowd. Breathable grooves keep you comfortable and dry. Air flows in and moisture flows out. Groove's ultimate comfort arch reduces skin contact. It is the only band with inner grooves that keeps your skin dry and comfortable. Here at Groove, we are always innovating. Not only are we bringing you the first breathable watch band with exclusive patterns, what we're really excited about is our new 3D dimension designs. Following the success of our dimension rings, we discovered that the watch bands are a perfect canvas for these textures. Working in 3 dimensions allows us to explore designs that were never before possible and endless options for the future. Offered in exclusive patterns and designs that make your band as unique as you. Groove bands make a statement about who you are.
Hey guys, my name is Peter Goodwin and I'm the founder here at Groove. And just 3 years ago, I kickstarted Groove rings from my garage in Alaska. And since then, we've been just a little bit busy. We moved our small company from our garage in Alaska to our new facility here in Nashville, Tennessee. We hired over 40 people and have scoured the globe for the best materials for our products. We've sold over 1 million rings. We're an overnight success. There was that 3 years of blood, sweat, and tears and pain and misery, and I had 2 children. There was like 3 weeks I didn't sleep. We were broke. It's been wonderful. No, seriously guys, it's been a wild ride, but I wouldn't change it for anything.
Hey guys, I want to pull back the curtain on all the cool things that we're doing. Welcome to Groove. Groove headquarters is located here in Nashville, Tennessee in a cool old 1930s school building. We're growing so fast, we've expanded from room to room to room to room.
So why try a Groove band? Great question. 1, we use the same uncompromising material we use in our Groove rings. And secondly, it's super functional. It's the only breathable watch band that has grooves on the inside that allow it to breathe. And third, just like all of our products, the Groove band comes with an unlimited lifetime warranty. You can't beat it. Be one of the first people to experience the new Groove band by backing this campaign. 3 years ago, you made Groove ring a reality, and I really appreciate it. We look forward to this Groove band and many other products in the future. Keep grooving.